Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform software set for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now you can close the case and your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. As you can see, we have no connection here. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, meaning the same, but it also depends on Android phone. Maybe you have something similar to iOS. Then open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. And your earbuds should reconnect with your phone, and we have connection. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!